A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Gas prices are heading up for a second straight week, and with the level of increase, we go to Dashan Hendricks at the Smart Board. Dashan?
Well, gasoline prices are going up for a second straight week this week. Petrojam has increased the price of both E10 87 and E10 90 gasoline by $2.26, and this increase brings the price of both grades of gasoline to the highest they have been since July 2015. That's almost some 2 years. The price of regular diesel is also increasing. It's going up this week by $2.75, while low sulfur diesel increases by $3.45. It will cost consumers an extra $3.33 per litre to purchase kerosene going forward into the week, while propane is up $1.34 and butane is up 51 cents. It's now back to you.
Thanks very much, Dashan. Meanwhile, the price of oil recorded its first loss in 6 sessions today. Oil for delivery in July lost 11 cents to settle at $51.36 a barrel. And currency trading ended with the US dollar selling for $130.48. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.49. The pound sterling costs $169.42, while the euro costs $146.03. Ready TV, Jamaica's first digital subscriber TV service, was launched today in Portmore, St. Catherine. CEO of Ready TV, Chris Daring, in rolling out the service, says he aims to revolutionize cable industry in the country with a service which is prepaid.
Everybody knows what a prepaid mobile phone is and what that did to the landscape of this country when it comes to telephony. Well, we're going to do to cable what prepaid did for telephone. Because not only have we employed the latest technology in broadcast, which is still the most homogeneous way any digital content can reach households globally, but we've also employed the latest technology in the pay platform, which is the most simple, easy to use platform you can imagine, using your mobile phone, and everybody have a mobile phone.
Now with Ready TV, consumers can purchase viewing rights to certain channels for 1, 7 or 30 days. Mr. Daring says it will help to bring the more than 500,000 households with no cable into the subscriber TV world, and starts by offering 10 free channels.
The fact that I'm probably most proud of is the fact that we are deploying technology owned, designed, built entirely by Jamaicans.
The company is starting to offer its Ready TV box at a discount. Ready TV is now available in Kingston, St. Andrews, St. Catherine, parts of St. Mary, St. Anne and Clarendon. In the meantime, Executive Director of the Broadcasting Commission, Cordell Green, says he's hoping that the launch of digital TV service by Ready TV will help to bring terrestrial TV into the digital age. He says the Broadcasting Commission still hopes that local TV can roll out digital channels next year.
We are very much determined that Jamaica has to be on the right side of the digital divide. So we want all the platforms for communicating, for distributing content in Jamaica to use cutting-edge technology. It's very good that Ready TV has stepped out in such a bold way and has made such a quantum leap. There's no doubt they're going to take the rest of the industry with them.
Mr. Green says the Information Minister, Roel Reid, will have a digital switchover meeting with broadcasters on June 6 to chart the way forward for digital switchover in Jamaica. More company news now. Jamaica Plumbing Supplies is planning to raise capital and has retained the services of Mayberry Investments to help in that regard. The decision on whether the capital to be raised is debt or equity or a combination is not yet finalized. Mayberry Investments says it is looking forward to working with the entity to grow. And the main JC Market Index fell more than 1,141 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained more than 5 points. The winners included 1834 Investments, Derriman Trading, Lasco Financial, Pan Jam, Rated Jamaica, and Sweet River Abattoir. On the losing end were Carb Cement, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, the Cayley Group, Seprod, and T-Tech. That's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.